Team 13 forecast.
Starting off with the radar, and an active one at that. Once again, if you look off to the north, you can see some severe thunderstorm warnings as well as some special weather statements ongoing for some stronger storms there. That's closely associated with the frontal boundary itself, which probably isn't going to move through our area until about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. And even after then, we're likely going to be talking about some scattered pop-ups with the heating of the day, just thanks to the sea breeze working back inland. But you can see it a little more evidently here with our wind vectors coming out of the south and west. And where are they converging? Right along that frontal boundary. It's not going to cool us off at all, but it will bring some drier air to the mid and upper levels. And with that, we will help to reduce our rain chances for Thursday and Friday. And of course, Friday is the 4th of July, so Independence Day on the way, and it looks like we're trending in the right direction if you want dry conditions, because it looks like any kind of low pressure system developing is going to develop far enough to our south or far enough to our east. It's really not going to be throwing moisture back our way. You can see most of the activity has been offshore, just scattered activity around, and even a couple of pockets that haven't seen any rain today. Most of the rain's been concentrated along the Apalachicola River, and then some heavier rain amounts as you work on the western side of the Panhandle. So Destin showing 1.32 and Blountstown 1.41 actually set a rainfall record in Apalachicola last night, as well as Tallahassee yesterday, beating the daily records from the day prior. So quite a bit of rain falling there. I think it was close to 2 inches in Apalachicola and over 2 inches in Tallahassee. And some places, yeah, the rain just went around you. That could happen again tonight or through the day tomorrow as well. Just depending on location. It's all about that, right? I'm not speaking real estate. I'm actually speaking about your rain chances. Air quality on the good side, pollen count once again on the low side, and that's your grasses. Once again, we're talking about extreme category for Wednesday. Where does the UV index top out at? Well, 12. It's 11.9 tomorrow, which means you can burn in about 5 to 10 minutes when the sunshine is out between 11 and 2 p.m. So if you are headed to the coast, out on the boat, or whatever it may be, if you've got skin exposed and you don't have sunscreen on, expect a burn. As we go overnight tonight, we'll see those showers and storms once again conglomerating offshore. The better chance of pop-up activity will be into the afternoon, but far less scattered than what we've seen as of late. And then going into Thursday, maybe a little more concentrated on the forgotten coastline with the sea breeze pressing back up against the flow. But overall, we are talking about drying things out. And the reason why? Frontal boundary driving off to our south, helping to clear out that tropical moisture and the moisture associated with it. More likely that we see any kind of low develop over Florida or on the Atlantic side of Florida, which puts us on the western side of the system. Well, western side of any kind of circulation is certainly going to be the dry side of any kind of circulation. And speaking of the tropics, we do still have Flossie in the eastern Pacific, as well as a 30% chance of some kind of development in the Gulf or in the Atlantic. But again, we're talking about a very low chance at any kind of organization there, and it's starting to trend further away from us, which means our rain chances trending down.
That's good news for everyone looking forward to 4th of July weekend.
Oh, absolutely. Or if you want to see the fireworks instead of nature's fireworks, that also looks good.
Definitely. All right. Thanks, Ross.